Bharatiya Kisan Union leader Rakesh Tikayat said BJP's defeat in Haryana and Himachal Pradesh by polls is a victory of the farmers' movement. Tikayat said they want to suppress the people of India. BJP's defeat in the by-polls has been rewarded by the people who is upset with them. If the centre doesn't listen to farmers, then BJP will keep losing, Tikayat said. Former Punjab Chief Minister Amarinder Singh today, while resigning from Congress, said he's old enough to be Punjab Congress Chief Navjot Singh Sidhu's father, yet he used filthiest and most vile language against me. Sidhu's only claim to fame was he would abuse me and my government, Singh said. He said Gandhi siblings patronized Navjot Singh Sidhu rather than reining him in. The Defence Ministry today approved procurement of arms and military equipment worth Rs 7,965 crore. This includes 12 light utility helicopters from Hindustan Aeronautics Limited and Lynx U-2 naval gunfire control system from Bharat Electronics Limited, an official statement said. It also approved the mid-life upgradation of Dornier aircraft by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. BJP and its ally United People's Party Liberal UPPL today won all 5 assembly seats in Assam by polls. While UPPL won from Gosaigaon and Tamulpur seats, BJP candidates won from Bhabanipur, Mariani and Thaura. Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma said this isn't an ordinary victory. Sarma added, people of Northeast have reposed their faith in the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The Islamic State Khorasan or ISIS-K has claimed responsibility for Tuesday's hospital attack in Afghanistan's Kabul, which has left at least 19 people dead and 50 others wounded. The attack was carried out by 5 Islamic State group militants, the terrorist group said. ISIS-K has carried out several attacks in Afghanistan since the Taliban took control of the country. The police in Ohio, United States have warned parents to check their children's candies after needles were found in chocolates and other sweets given to some children in trick or treat during Halloween. Police shared pictures of a chocolate in which a child found a sewing needle. The police department wrote, "Why would anyone do this?" Mariano Cuesto, remote community leader in Peru's Amazon rainforest, said that his tribe first heard about coronavirus in October when health workers arrived by boat to his village with vaccines. "We didn't know about COVID-19. This is the first time we've heard about it," he told Reuters. Manguel village residents hunt and fish for food and live without electricity.